Is the water quality in St. Catherine compromised? Well, according to the chairman of the Health and the Sanitation Committee in the St. Catherine Municipal Corporation, Sidney Rose, the chemical used to test the levels of chlorine in piped water in the parish has been out for months. Kelisha Williams has that story.
Shocking news at the latest meeting of the St. Catherine Health and Sanitation Committee.
The DPD reagent, which is a chemical that is used to test the levels of chlorine in water, has not been had for months. This is scandalous.
Chairman of the committee, Councillor Sidney Rose, updating councillors on a report from the Water Quality Inspector in the St. Catherine Public Health Department. He believes the health of thousands of residents in the parish has been compromised. He stressed that this would include residents of Portmore, Spanish Town, Old Harbour and adjoining areas.
So we are not having that kind of reading to understand whether we have super chlorination or under chlorination of our water. And if there's super chlorination, it can also damage your clothes and cause various illnesses, to include cancer. So it's not a plating concern here, but don't take it lightly.
Mr. Rose said the committee will be writing to the Health Ministry to find out what is the challenge in procuring the chemical used for testing the chlorination levels. However, at least one councillor was not pleased with how Mr. Rose handled the matter.
We don't want a panic at this stage, Mr. Chairman. You asked that the minister do his investigation. Let us allow the investigation to be done and a report come back to us in the next meeting.
And it's not about grandstanding our politics. You're not listening, no? Bring me where? Listen, all right. Councillor, listen and learn. And this is no joke. If there's under-chlorination of water, you know what can happen? It gives rise to bacteria, and those bacteria can cause health problems as well. So it is super or under. There are challenges in terms of your health. So the health of the people of St. Catherine are compromised, and you're playing around. You're not serious about representation.
When we contacted the Southeast Regional Health Authority, under which the St. Catherine Health Department falls, we were told the authority was not aware of the matter and it will be carrying out an investigation. Kelisha Williams, TVJ News.